JD 26 here, just do tips, repairs, and hobbies. And surprisingly enough, I'm searching my Walmart, on my phone, my Walmart app, and under services, you have scan and go. So you can take your phone to the store, scan each item, put it in the bag, pay for it right on your phone, and it's as easy as that. Now, I don't know how they do when they check it at the door, so you'll have to find that part out, but you can scan your items you're buying, and it's pretty cool. I have that on my iPhone, and you can track your shipping if you have delivery and everything else. I'm pretty impressed with the Walmart app. The only thing I didn't like about it was somehow a tip got on there, and you have to watch that. And I don't usually tip, things that are being delivered, but you have to watch that. But explore your Walmart app, and you'll find some pretty good things on there that are convenient for you for your lifestyle. And I just want to point that out. So, hope you guys are having a good day, and we'll see you in the next video. And take care and stay healthy. Bye for now.